Hi, my name is Laura Gonzalez. Hello, I am Jessica. And we are talking about analytical and rational functions.
Rational function. A rational function is a function that will always maintain the form f of x equals p of x over q of x, where p and q are polynomials. Of x equals x plus 1 over x minus 1, or y equals raised to cube minus h over x plus 1. A restriction for the function is that q of x define 0. For example, fx equals 1 over 0. It will give indefinite value. As a result, it cannot be present in graphs. X minus 3 define 0, x define 0 plus 3, x define 3. The graph will pass through both sides except the number 3. Horizontal asymptotes. To find the horizontal asymptote, we must find the division between the coefficient of the numerator division coefficient of the denominator. For example, f of x equals 2x minus 5 over x minus 3. Coefficient of the numerator over coefficient of the denominator equals 2 over 1 equals 2. Horizontal asymptotes. Cutting point 0 on the x-axis. To find the curve point, we must replace the letter for 0. For example, fx equals 2x minus 5 over x minus 3. To graphic asymptote line points chord A, B.
Domain and range. Domain are S, range are Y. Remember that the domain is the part of S in the graphic. We draw a vertical or horizontal line in the graphic domain. They are real numbers because it is start from infinity minus to infinity plus. Now the range start from infinity minus to infinity plus except for 2 because it is asymptote. Application of rational function. The function p as 240 s plus 1400 over 14s plus 1. It represents the percentage of oil that remains in the sea after a spill occurs in a hydrocarbon carrier ship for 4 months. The recovery and cleaning tasks by the responsible company. After that time, the process continues naturally.
Function rational. Definition. Function rational are those whose mathematical expression f of x or n represent a radical. Root g of s, where g of s is polynomial function or rational functions.
For example, f of x equal to root of x. Domain. Since n is even, the domain of f of x is the set of values where greater or equal to 0. The cut point fits with the coordinate value table. Values are given to x and the graphic is made.